Saviesa has a variety of hinge wardrobe door designs. Each can be displayed in a space-saving module. Up to 6 different door designs can be exhibited in a space of single wardrobe. Painted on both sides in Teligray HDHMR, this door is called the Paradiso. This door is in HDHMR PU, white matte with center band in a 3D crest. Here is the leather door with Bali camel color. Known as the beautiful one, this door is the Kirena in oak veneer with Burmese trim. Integrated HDHMR PU Warhol cream soft touch. This door has a unique impression on every spectator. Here, the door comprises aluminium metallic gold reverse taper with matte bronze reflective glass.